Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to perform our next experiment. The experiment is modulus of rigidity. To perform this experiment, we need this torsion apparatus. Okay. So this is our torsion apparatus. This is our specimen. This this is the fixed end, and this is the free end. This end will rotate through this lever arm. Okay, this is dial gauge which tell us the reading, or this is the load, or you may ask a force to produce the torsion. Okay, so the formula, as you know, modulus of rigidity is equal to T. T is a torque. Torque means lever arm into load, and the L is the length of specimen. Okay, this is our specimen, and J, radius of gyration or polar movement of inertia. It's pi d square over 32. So the d of specimen is 8.3 mm. D is 8.3 mm. Okay. So we are starting the experiment. First of all, L of specimen is 53 centimeter, 530 mm, and the lever arm is 100 mm. See, this is 100 mm. From center to pull load, this is 100 mm. This is dial reading. This dial reading, when the needle travel throughout complete the circle, it's mean the needle will travel just 1 mm, mean 1 mm divided into 100 parts. Now this is our initial position. Now we put the load. First of all, we will put 2 Newton. So see the reading. It's counterclockwise 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. It's 73. 73 mean 0.73 mm. 0.73 mm on 2 Newton. Again we will put 2 more Newton. So needle complete the circle, and again at 61, 56, sorry, 56. It's mean the reading at 4 Newton is 1.56 Newton. Now we put again 2 Newton, and the now reading is the needle complete circle and 62. So 2.62 millimeter, reading at 6 kilonewton. Okay. So according to formula, the torque is for 2.62 is 0.62 multiplied by 100, as torque is equal to P into R, where R is the lever arm. Okay, and L is specimen length 530, J pi d over 4, pi d 4 over 32. Okay, where the D will be 8.3 mm, and next theta. Theta mean angle of twist. Angle of twist. S is the reading of dial gauge, and R is lever arm. So this is the experiment on modulus of rigidity. If you have any query, you may contact. Okay.